Yo, I am sleep deprived, but I'm in a good mood. So let's try to make today a good day, shall we? I was zoning out. Finally got my first order of the day. This one's Black Rock Coffee, $8.25, going 4.5 miles. Yeah, I was kind of worried about this. It's still pretty early, so lots of cars. Make sure that it's made fresh. Okay, dude. I'll be sure of that. Next order up is for next order up is for Starbucks. This one's gonna be $8, going 5 miles. Oh no, I'm an idiot. I should have recognized the street name. It's going to one of the clinics, so hopefully there's parking nearby. Oh no. I really hope I do not have to pay for parking because the building is literally right here. What am I talking about? Pay for parking. I guess I'm just still traumatized from my recent traveling. Just got my next order lined up right after this. It's gonna be for McDonald's, $11, going 5.5 miles. I really hope this order's ready for me because I need to be in and out of here ASAP. This area is a dead zone for me, so if I take too long, I'm kind of screwed. Excuse me. Oh, of course it's upstairs. Always upstairs. Okay, next order up is for a different Starbucks. This one is $6.75, going less than a mile. Only reason I took it is, well, I'm already here, so why not? Ooh, that's a lot of cars. That is probably why not. And now there's a car behind me, so can't really do anything about that now. Thank you. You too. Upstairs? Yes, it is. Oh, nice. Total ended up being $7.25. Small hidden tip. And I just got my next order. This one's going to a place called Pete's Coffee. I don't know if you guys have seen that place yet, but yeah. It took me $13.75, going 6.5 miles. Well, this place just opened and I already got an order for them. So shop and deliver for alcohol, $12, going 5 miles, only one item.
Doing good, or anything I can help you out with?
Yeah, I'm drawing a blank.
Felt like it would be, oh, right there.
Down there.
Oh, there it is. Thank you.
Oh, we still do have some.
Yeah.
I thought we were out.
Or almost.
You can give us a second to find
Yep,
it.
no problem.
It only takes 6 of us to find it. You got it okay?
I'm not sure if we're going to be able to get it.
And then just scribble on that line for me.
Oh, that's weird. Is that new?
Next up, we've got a stack for Starbucks. This one's gonna be $8 and some change, going 4 miles. Ooh, what is this? Shop and deliver for alcohol, $12.75, going 4 miles, 2 items. Yeah, I'll take it. It's not this, is it? Yes, it is.
You got the climb.
Okay, I'm gonna have to contact support. Do you have another ID by any chance? Because this one is expired.
Did it expire?
Do you have your phone on you by any chance?
Yes.
Okay, it might be better if you call them because they treat customers a lot better than us.
Oh, okay. Oh my god, you guys are so stupid. Sorry to have to do this to you. This is so stupid.
Oh, it's fine. Things happen.
What do you wear the GoPro for?
At that point, he already had a shovel in his hand, so I'm
he
like,
already had a shovel.
I'm just getting out of here. Yeah, it's not looking promising. All right, well, we tried.
Yeah, thank you. And I'm so sorry that you have to go all the way back there for that.
What an ordeal that was. Next order up, we've got a KFC, $8.75 going 3 miles.
That order's ready.
Thank you. Why? There you are. You have a good day. Thank you. What is this? Stacked order for Popeyes, $18 going 5.5 miles. Yeah, I'll take that. Hello.
There's a tire right there to the left. How's your day going?
Bro, why is this one going back to the hospital? Come on. All right, hopefully these are easy drop-offs because I don't know where I'm going. Hello. Hi. There you are. Thank you. All right, I think this next one is going to different office across the street somewhere. Oh my goodness, my car reeks of fried chicken. Yeah.
Did they say what suite it goes to?
This one's gonna be Seize the Bagel. I believe it's at $10 going like 5 miles. Thank you. Did I accidentally cancel the order? Why is it not on my screen anymore?
Thank you for calling Uber support. All right, I see. So the order suddenly disappeared on your account. Would that be correct? But yeah, don't worry. I'll try and contact the customer for you. The customer is not really responding to any of my calls. We are not able to provide any address of the customer, and so you can dispose of the items on the manner you see fit. And at this time, please continue with other deliveries, okay?
Hopefully that doesn't screw me later on, but you heard it. Free food. So I guess I'm gonna call it a day. I have a bad feeling about this. Anyways, current time is 11:52. Current total is 109 plus 50, 159. That last alcohol order guy was super sweet. Ended up giving me a little bit of money for my time. We'll just leave it at that. I guess time to go home. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.